20 years ago, when I talked about low-cost healthcare, people brushed me aside. People simply can't afford to pay for the healthcare. India needs 2 million heart operations a year. And all the heart hospitals in the country put together perform 120,000 heart surgeries. Now what happens to the rest? 100 years after the first heart surgery, less than 20% of the world's population can afford a heart operation. 80% of the world's population is a silent bystander. Something has to change. India has to change, US has to change, Europe has to change. Our purpose is to democratize healthcare. We would like right to quality healthcare to become a global phenomenon. We want everyone to have access to high-tech healthcare with dignity. So as surgeons, our life is very tough. We work 16, 18 hours a day, 6 days a week. Then we go home and get called at 2 o'clock at night that somebody is bleeding, and even at this stage of my career, I still do it. And this is what sets us apart. It's the power of purpose. It's pointless talking about all the developments in healthcare if people can't afford it. I believe that India will become the first country in the world to dissociate healthcare from affluence. India will prove to the world that the wealth of the nation has nothing to do with the quality of healthcare its citizens can enjoy. And once that happens in India, it will be very easy for other countries to follow. We need to do 2 million heart surgeries a year. And all the heart surgeons in the country put together perform only 120,000 heart surgeries. What happens to the rest? 1.9 million people die within the next few years because they couldn't afford the heart operation. And in the process, we perhaps produce one of the largest number of young widows in the world. Something has to be done. It can't go on like this. And we know it can be sorted out. It is not like a patient who has a disease for which there is no cure. All these patients can be cured. One operation, once in their lifetime, you can cure them.